What does it mean to be wealthy? Is it the same as being rich? The lines between these two concepts often blur, but understanding the difference could be the key to your long-term financial security. So, let's turn the traditional notion of wealth on its head. Now, you may be thinking, aren't wealth and being rich the same thing? Well, not quite. Being rich often refers to a high income, which can disappear as fast as it comes. Wealth, on the other hand, is about creating lasting and sustainable financial freedom and stability. It's about what you keep, not what you earn. So, how does one go about building wealth? The recipe might seem complex, but it boils down to a few key ingredients. Creating a budget, investing in the stock market and real estate, starting a business, and generating passive income. These strategies require time, effort, and careful planning, but can lead to a fulfilling and financially secure life. Creating a budget is the first step. It's about understanding where your money goes and being mindful about your spending. It's about making sure your money is working for you, not against you. Investing in the stock market and real estate might sound intimidating, but it's one of the most effective ways to accumulate wealth. It's about taking calculated risks and making your money work for you even when you're not working. Starting a business might seem like a massive undertaking, but it can be an incredibly rewarding way to build wealth. It's about creating something of value that not only generates income, but also has the potential to grow and become more profitable over time. Generating passive income is the final piece of the puzzle. It's about creating income streams that require little to no effort to maintain. It could be from rental income, dividends from investments, or even a side hustle that you're passionate about. But wealth is not just about monetary gains. It's about the freedom to live life on your terms. It's about having the time and resources to pursue your passions and spend time with loved ones. It's about making a difference in the world and leaving a legacy. Moreover, this pursuit of wealth shouldn't be a solitary journey. It's about learning from others, sharing knowledge, and growing together. It's about building a community of like-minded individuals who support and uplift each other. In conclusion, wealth is not about how much money you make, but how much you keep and grow. It's about investing wisely, creating multiple income streams, and above all, it's about financial freedom and stability. So, don't just aim to be rich, aim for wealth. And remember, wealth building is not a sprint, it's a marathon. It requires patience, perseverance, and a well-thought-out strategy. But with the right mindset and approach, wealth is within your reach. So why not start your journey towards wealth today? It's never too late to start. As the saying goes, the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago, the second best time is now. So plant the seeds of your wealth today and watch them grow into a forest of financial freedom and stability.